Hi, I'm Jennifer Gallman with CHA Today. I'm standing outside Sunridge Apartments, where some major changes have had a positive impact on the entire community. The Sunridge community is located at the intersection of Sharon Amity and Milton Road in Northeast Charlotte. The surrounding area is a mixture of healthy commercial and residential uses. Immediately across Sharon Amity is a large retail center including shops, offices, and restaurants. Public transportation is easily accessible in the front of the community. Committed to providing safe, decent, and quality housing for low-income families in the Charlotte community, the Charlotte Housing Authority has been revitalizing its portfolio to provide Grade A apartment communities throughout the city of Charlotte.
Prior to moving forward with any of the projects, we actually have the community input for resident meetings and making sure we show the residents what our plans are, make them a part of our plans and the choices that we make here at the community, because this is their home, and we do want to make sure that we make them happy with the projects that we see for the future of the community.
Improvements at Sunridge include replacing the exterior vinyl siding with fiber cement, a natural, non-toxic material. 3 different colors were installed on the building to provide additional curb appeal. The Sunridge Community Center, where the property management, resident organization, and after-school program reside, was increased by 400 square feet. Included in this addition were 2 new offices, an update to 1 existing office, a new computer lab with 5 workstations, a small kitchenette, new flooring, fresh paint, new lighting fixtures, and other modernization touches to create a user-friendly community center.
Since we've got our new building, we have more room available to do some of the things that we do. We have a night with the kids and a night with the seniors per month. We also have our monthly meetings, of course.
The YWCA operates an after-school program in the Sunridge Community Center. Due to the additions the Housing Authority has made at the Community Center, the YWCA is now able to offer its program to more children in the community, which falls in line with the agency's moving forward goal to increase the number of children who enter post-secondary education.
The program here at Sunridge is a service that we offer the children in the community to assist them with homework specifically, and to also expose them to culture activities and recreation, something for them to enhance their lives here in the community.
Community safety is also a top priority for the Charlotte Housing Authority. In May of 2011, the agency had new security cameras installed to monitor site activity and hired private security during the summer months to monitor site traffic.
It has a big impact on the people because we've had our own private security the whole summer. And now that we have our community cameras up and working, there's not that much of foot traffic, people coming in, and walking out of Sunridge. And I think that is a good thing.
Since the improvements have been implemented, crime at the Sunridge community has significantly diminished. Between the exterior renovations, additional service space, and increased security efforts, the changes at Sunridge are making a difference.
It has impacted the community where it offers them a safe place as far as the children are concerned, and a better living environment for the parents. And it also has instilled in them the pride in keeping their community cleaned, and it's a safe place for them to come.
It also has had a positive impact on the Housing Authority staff in the community.
Everybody's happy because we work together, Ms. Brown, the president, the manager, and me. And sometimes they help me, the resident here, they help me pick up the trash sometimes, and everybody's happy.
With CHA Today, I'm Jennifer Gallman.